5 ways to build self-esteem and enhance positivity. 1. Eliminate negativity. Keep reminding yourself that life is too short and you got to make the best out of it. Minimize toxic relationships. Surround yourself by positive people. Think positively. 2. Find your good qualities. Instead of focusing on the negative things, focus on the positives. Remember to appreciate what you already have, and it can be anything. 3. Change your body language. Just the simple act can give others the impression that you are a confident person. This is where posture, smiling, eye contact, and speech slowly come into play. Be confident in whatever you say or do. 4. Dress nicely. If you dress nicely, you'll feel good about yourself. 5. Set a small goal and achieve it. Set a goal you know you can achieve, and then achieve it. Set small goals and achieve each one of them step by step. The more you rely on your strengths, the better the results you will experience, and the more quickly you will become successful and confident in yourself. Be confident. Right now. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.